Life is busy, a whirlwind of tasks, worries, and distractions. It's easy to feel overwhelmed, lost in the chaos of it all. The constant pressure to do more, be more, can leave us feeling stressed, anxious, and disconnected. We yearn for peace, for a moment of calm in the storm. But what if I told you that peace is always within reach? It's true. Inner peace isn't about escaping the world or silencing our thoughts. It's about learning to be fully present, right here, right now. In the stillness of the present moment, we find a sanctuary from the storms of life. Mindfulness meditation is the key to unlocking this sanctuary. It's a practice that cultivates present moment awareness, gently guiding us back to ourselves. It's about noticing our thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment, with a sense of curiosity and kindness. Just as we train our bodies for physical strength, mindfulness trains our minds for inner strength and resilience. It's a journey of self-discovery, a path that leads us back to our own inherent peace, a peace that is always there, waiting to be discovered. Mindfulness. It sounds simple, yet its power is profound. It's about paying attention to the present moment without getting carried away by thoughts of the past or worries about the future. Imagine for a moment sitting by a gentle stream. The water flows effortlessly, each ripple a fleeting moment in time. Mindfulness is like observing that stream, noticing the movement of the water, the sunlight dancing on its surface, the gentle rustling of leaves nearby. We observe without judgment, allowing each moment to exist as it is. In our busy lives, our minds often resemble a turbulent sea, thoughts crashing like waves, emotions swirling like undercurrents. Mindfulness is the anchor that steadies us amidst the turbulence. It allows us to observe these thoughts and emotions without being swept away by them. We learn to acknowledge their presence, without letting them control us. This practice requires patience and gentleness. Be kind to yourself as you begin to explore mindfulness. Ready to embark on your mindfulness journey? It's easier than you might think. Here's a simple guide to get you started. 1. Find a quiet space. Choose a place where you can relax without distractions. It could be a cozy corner in your home, a peaceful spot in nature, or even your office chair. 2. Focus on your breath. Close your eyes gently and bring your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of each inhale and exhale. As you breathe in, feel the air filling your lungs. As you breathe out, let go of any tension. 3. Engage your senses. Expand your awareness to include your other senses. What do you hear? Birdsong, distant traffic, the hum of the refrigerator. What do you smell? Fresh air, a hint of flowers, the aroma of your morning coffee. 4. Acknowledge your thoughts. Thoughts will inevitably arise. Don't try to push them away. Simply acknowledge them, as if they are clouds passing by in the sky. Observe them without judgment, and gently guide your attention back to your breath. 5. Start small. Begin with just a few minutes of practice each day, gradually increasing the duration as you feel comfortable. Consistency is key. Even short bursts of mindfulness can have a profound impact on your well-being. Section 4. The Science of Stillness: How Mindfulness Benefits Your Mind. Mindfulness isn't just a feel-good practice, it's backed by science. Research shows that mindfulness meditation offers a wide range of mental health benefits. Studies have shown that mindfulness can reduce stress and anxiety. By calming the nervous system, mindfulness helps regulate our stress response, reducing feelings of anxiety and overwhelm. It can also improve focus and concentration. Regular mindfulness practice strengthens our ability to focus our attention, leading to improved concentration and cognitive function. Additionally, it enhances emotional regulation. Mindfulness equips us with the tools to observe our emotions without judgment, allowing us to respond to challenging situations with greater clarity and composure. And lastly, it promotes self-awareness. By cultivating present moment awareness, mindfulness helps us develop a deeper understanding of our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors, leading to greater self-awareness and personal growth. These are just a few of the many ways mindfulness can positively impact our mental well-being. It's a powerful tool for cultivating a calmer, more focused, and resilient mind. Section 5. Finding your Zen in everyday moments. Mindfulness isn't confined to formal meditation sessions. You can weave it into the fabric of your daily life, finding moments of peace amidst the busyness. Try mindful walking. Turn your daily walk into a meditative practice. Pay attention to the sensation of your feet on the ground, the rhythm of your steps, the sights and sounds around you. Or engage in mindful eating. Instead of rushing through your meals, savor each bite. Notice the colors, textures, and flavors of your food. Engage all your senses in the experience. Practice mindful listening too. Truly listen to others without interrupting or planning your response. Pay attention to their words, their tone of voice, their body language, and don't forget about mindful breathing. Throughout the day, take a few moments to pause and focus on your breath. Even a few deep breaths can help calm your mind and bring you back to the present moment. Remember, mindfulness is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself and celebrate each step you take towards greater presence and peace. Section 6. Cultivating lasting tranquility. As you continue to explore mindfulness, you'll discover that inner peace is not a fixed state, but rather a skill that can be cultivated through practice. It's like tending a garden. It requires patience, care, and consistent effort. Just as a gardener nurtures their plants, we can nurture our minds through mindfulness. By making mindfulness a part of our daily lives, we cultivate a sense of inner peace that gradually deepens over time. Remember, you are not your thoughts. You are not your emotions. You are the awareness that observes them. This awareness is the source of your inner peace. As you cultivate mindfulness, you tap into this wellspring of peace within. So take a deep breath, embrace the present moment, and embark on your journey to inner peace. It's a journey worth taking.